My co-founder and I, we were already thinking about how AI needs to be able to tackle a lot of edge cases. This got us thinking also in terms of explainability and safety. And so this was when we thought that motor AI needed to exist. And then after a couple of months of sort of initial validation of the idea, we founded the company in 2017.
We saw a specific problem when it comes to autonomous driving. We have to drive millions and millions of miles to collect actually data of specific edge cases or driving scenarios to create the maneuvers. This is really cost intensive, expensive at the end, and it takes a lot of time. And we actually were investigating some algorithms and technologies which are called active inference, which are helping on that problem as they do create a driving maneuver while they are facing a specific traffic situation. We built and developed the whole full stack of autonomous driving software to implement it into new vehicles or to retrofit vehicles to offer autonomous mobility.
We have multiple different types of sensors. So we use cameras, LiDARs, radars, GPS, also a drive-by-wire. Then we have a modular software architecture that basically takes the sensor data and process it until finally you get a speed and a steering command, which is sort of at the end of the day, the final two commands that are the output of any autonomous driving system. Our big differentiator is an active inference-based solution for what we call decision making. Active inference comes from neurobiology. It mimics how humans predict out multiple futures and then choose the best one as their next step in any action. So it's used all over in the robotics world and in the AI world, but we were one of the first to apply it in autonomous driving. And for us, that means like the vehicle choosing a maneuver based on factors like comfort, speed, the legality of like what the traffic rules are in the particular situation, and the predicted behavior of other traffic participants in the scene.
Level 2, level 3 is automatized driving. So people still sitting there and they're kind of like the fallback for the vehicle if something happens. But a truly autonomous vehicle, level 4, there is no driver behind the steering wheel. You have to build a system which is always working.
I position us in a different camp than our competitors coming out of China, the UK, or the US. First off, because they have purely sort of big data dependent solutions and sort of AI black boxes. Secondly, because they are not making it their explicit goal to develop according to the safety regulations. The impact for that is that it's harder or impossible for their current systems to be approved inside the EU.
When you think about autonomous driving, everyone thinks about the US. A lot of people said like, you can't do that in Germany, but we did. We are Motor AI, a Berlin-based autonomous driving company, providing autonomous mobility with a German software system. We have not only a cost-efficient system to run on public streets, we also have a safe system as it follows the safety framework of the European Union.